Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs the Zack film's way. We'll dive into a unique method that promises incredibly creamy scrambled eggs. You'll learn about the essential ingredients and the precise low-heat cooking technique needed to achieve that perfect texture. Get ready to elevate your breakfast game and create restaurant-quality eggs right in your own kitchen. To start, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 large eggs per serving for a satisfying portion. For richness, incorporate 1 tablespoon of good quality butter. A small addition of 1 teaspoon of heavy cream or milk will enhance the creaminess. Finally, season simply with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper to taste. The cooking technique is crucial for Zack film-style eggs. First, gently whisk your eggs until they are just combined, avoiding over-aeration. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over very low heat. Once melted, pour in your egg mixture. Stir constantly with a heat-resistant spatula, scraping the bottom and sides for about 3 to 5 minutes until soft curds form. The final steps ensure perfect texture. Remove the eggs from the heat when they are still slightly undercooked and very moist. The residual heat in the pan will continue to cook them to perfection, preventing dryness. Serve your creamy scrambled eggs immediately on warm toast or alongside your favorite breakfast sides. A sprinkle of fresh chives adds a lovely touch and extra flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.